Hey guys, the other thing I wanted to tell you, I'm a yappa today. I don't know why, because I'm so tired. But I make Lee have healthy snacks, and he actually likes them. But so they have to taste good. So this is Robert Irvine's Fit Crunch. They're a high protein baked bar. He likes the milk and cookies. Yum, yum, yum. But, they have like strawberry. They have all different kinds. What else did I get him? This is my closet pantry. Well, I like my soups. If I can't make homemade, I got lasagna progresso, cheese tortellini, rigatoni pasta with meatball, cheese. Oh, those are too spicy for me. Oh, he likes his Fit Crunch by Robert Irvine too. Look at all my popcorn. Help! What else? Well, these are not really healthy, but he does like these honey mustard Pringles. You can get all this at Walmart.com. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. Alrighty. Okay, I guess that was it. But I just wanted to tell you, I try and make Lee eat healthy too. Okay, guys. Ooh, my bathroom. Bye. All right, guys. Bye. Oh, I want to see what Cole is. I don't have a picture of him. Oh, here's the other Consult Health. Peach mango, if you can see the... Can we see the peaches? Yes, we can. Peach and mango. Yum, yum. I can't wait to try this. But that is for another... I have to finish 2 others. Okay. I want to see Cole. Where is he? There's Max. Say hi, Maxie. I think he's hiding in the closet. I'll get him later. But I only have one picture of Max. Huh. Okay, bye guys. Oh, my hair looks brighter. See, it depends on oh, see the pink.